Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Thanks for checking out the forecast here at WXYZ.com. It's still cold, still breezy, and there's still some snow showers blowing through. And there will be fewer overall in number and coverage overnight tonight, but it doesn't mean they can't be intense. So still could leave a little something on the roads. Make sure you slow down if you get in and out of that. Might have a couple slippery spots in the morning because of it as well. 9 for low, but wind chills back below 0. As a matter of fact, here's a look at wind chills. About 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, right around 0 in Detroit, but most spots in the suburbs. Around 5 below or so for wind chill factors, and they are a little bit better tomorrow than they were today, but still a tough go. 24 the high on Wednesday. Most of the snow shower chances in the afternoon on Wednesday. West winds 10 to 20, keeping that chill around. The totals of snow aren't much, a few tenths here and there in the metro area, down to the south as well, and then up to the north also. Same kind of thing, 2, 3, 4 tenths in most cases in terms of total amounts. But if you get a little burst of snow and it puts a couple of tenths on the roads in a few minutes quickly here, that can be an issue. That's a possibility again overnight tonight and also on Wednesday in the afternoon. I think probably fewer overall Wednesday afternoon, but it doesn't again mean that intensity is necessarily less. A dry day, we got a shot at 30 Thursday, 35 Friday, then there's some warmth for the weekend. Saturday, 42, 46 on Sunday, and then temperatures are going to be back in the upper 30s for next week.